Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Learning Channel, where learning English is easy, fun, and stress-free. I'm Hania, and I am so happy to see you all here today.
Hello, Hania, and a very warm hello to all of our friends watching. It's always a pleasure to be here with this wonderful community.
Hi Kamyar, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling wonderful, thank you. There's a special energy today. I can feel it from our viewers. There's a real desire to learn.
I feel it too. Welcome, welcome, welcome to every single person joining us. Whether you are new to our channel or you've been with us from the beginning, thank you for choosing to spend your time with us. You are in the right place.
Absolutely. This is your space, a safe place to grow, to learn, and to build your confidence without any fear.
And you know, Kamyar, because this is such a safe space, I know our viewers feel comfortable sharing their real challenges with us. And one challenge we hear about more than any other
Is speaking.
Exactly. The words are in the head, the grammar is understood, but when the moment comes to open your mouth, silence or panic, it's a feeling so many know too well.
That gap between understanding and speaking can feel huge. It can make you doubt everything you've learned. It can make you want to give up.
But what if I told you that bridge across that gap is simpler to build than you think? What if you had a clear, step-by-step plan to go from stuck to speaking?
That would change everything. Because your voice deserves to be heard. Your thoughts deserve to be shared in any language.
Today, that's exactly what we are doing. Today, we are tackling that number one request. Our topic is improve English speaking practice. We are moving from theory to action, from silent to fluent.
Are you ready to find your voice in English?
Let's begin this journey together.
Let's first understand why speaking feels so difficult, even when you know a lot of English. The main reason isn't a lack of knowledge, it's usually one of these three mental blocks.
Block number one, the fear of mistakes. You are so worried about saying something wrong, about someone judging your grammar or accent, that you choose to say nothing. But here's the truth. Mistakes are not your enemy. They are your teachers. Every person who speaks fluently today made thousands of mistakes yesterday.
Block number two, the speed myth. You think you need to speak fast to be fluent, so you try to rush, your thoughts get jumbled, and you stop. Real fluency is about clear, confident communication, not speed. Slow and clear is always better than fast and confusing.
Block number three, no practice environment. You think, I don't have anyone to practice with. This is the biggest illusion. Your best practice partner is already with you 24 hours a day. It's you.
So let's start with the most powerful, always available method, self-talk. This means talking to yourself in English about your daily life.
It sounds simple because it is simple, and it works. For example, right now I could look around and say, I'm sitting in a comfortable chair. The light is warm. I feel happy to be here. I am describing my present reality in simple English.
Let's do a live exercise. Everyone, look around your room right now. In your mind, or out loud if you can, name 3 things you see. Use the structure I see a. Go ahead. Do it now.
Perfect. You just practiced speaking English. That is the essence of self-talk. You can do this while cooking. I am cutting tomatoes. Now I am adding salt. The food smells good. You are training your brain to connect simple thoughts directly to English words.
Your homework today. For the next 24 hours, spend 5 minutes describing your actions in English in your head while brushing your teeth. I am brushing my teeth. I need to brush for 2 minutes. This builds an automatic connection.
Now, for improving pronunciation and flow, we use shadowing. This is not just repeating words. It's copying the music, the rhythm, the feeling of the language.
Here's how. Find a short clip of clear English speech. It could be from our channel, a podcast, or a movie scene. Listen to one sentence with headphones. Pause. Then try to say it exactly like the speaker. Copy their tone, their pauses, their energy.
Let's try it together. I'll say a short sentence with natural rhythm. You listen, then repeat after me. Learning English is a journey, not a race.
Good. Did you notice the rhythm? The stress on journey and race? That's what you copy. Don't worry about the words alone. Worry about the music of the sentence.
Just 5 minutes of shadowing daily will do more for your speaking confidence than hours of passive listening. It trains your mouth muscles to make English sounds naturally.
Now let's raise the challenge slightly. This is for when you're ready to create your own sentences. We call it the 2-minute challenge.
Set a timer for 2 minutes. Choose a simple topic, my family, my favorite food, my city. Then you must speak about that topic for the full 2 minutes. You cannot stop. If you don't know a word, describe it. If you get stuck, say, I'm thinking, and continue. The goal is not perfection. The goal is continuous speech.
This is incredibly powerful. It pushes you past the I don't know what to say block. Your first try might be messy. That's okay. Your 10th try will be smooth. This practice builds mental agility in English.
Knowledge is useless without a plan. So let's build your 15-minute daily speaking routine.
Minutes 1 through 5. Self-talk. When you wake up, describe your morning actions in your head in English.
Minutes 6 to 10. Shadowing. Play a short audio clip and shadow it. Focus on the rhythm.
Minutes 11 to 15. The 2-minute challenge. Pick a topic and speak. Record yourself on your phone if you can. Listen back without judgment, just to hear your progress.
That's it. Consistent, focused daily practice. Not 2 hours on Sunday, just 15 focused minutes every single day. This consistency will change your speaking more than anything else.
Now, your turn. We will give you 3 scenarios. I want you to pause the video and speak your answer out loud. Don't just think it, say it.
Practice 1. Self-talk. Look at an object near you. Describe it in 3 sentences using this is a, it is, and I use it for. Go.
Practice 2. Shadowing. Repeat after me with feeling. Every day I am getting better at English. Say it like you mean it.
Practice 3. 2-minute topic. Topic, why I am learning English. Start speaking now for 30 seconds. Don't stop.
How did that feel? Awkward? Good. Awkward means you're growing. Comfortable means you're staying the same.
Your ability to speak English is not a measure of your intelligence. It is a skill, and skills are built with practice. You built the skill of walking, of reading, of driving. You will build this skill too.
Every time you speak, you are not just practicing a language. You are claiming your space in the world. You are saying, I am here. My thoughts have value. Listen to me.
Start small. Start today. Talk to yourself. Copy a sentence. Speak for 1 minute. Be kind to your mistakes. They are proof of your courage. We believe in your voice. We are listening. We are so proud of you for trying.
If this plan gives you hope, like this video. It helps us reach more learners who need this.
Subscribe to English Learning Channel. Hit the bell so you never miss a new method or motivation.
Comment below with your promise. Write, my promise. I will practice speaking for 15 minutes every day starting today. We will cheer you on.
Share this with a friend who also wants to speak confidently. Be practice partners.
Thank you for your time, your trust, and your beautiful effort. Keep speaking. We believe in you. Bye for now.
Thank you and see you the next episode.